What a day. I don't know where to begin.
It was just honestly amazing.
It was really an incredible experience.
My jaw kind of dropped.
On March 2nd, 2022, 10 select students from the GameAbove College of Engineering and Technology were given a very special opportunity. Flying down to Savannah, Georgia by way of a Gulfstream luxury jet, they were invited on a rare guided tour of the Gulfstream Aerospace Corporation headquarters, giving these students a first-hand behind-the-scenes look at how Gulfstream designs, builds, and manufactures their award-winning line of aircraft.
The best part was being able to see the airplanes being built, to just kind of see their thought process that went behind making the airplane.
The ability to go inside the plant and see the testing, the safety testing, the design work, every little aspect of this plane was just a lucky opportunity.
It is, for many, the first exposure to many things in their education and in their lives.
Being able to see the entire manufacturing process of the Gulfstream was definitely something I have not seen before.
Something I really took away was how invested they are with the students and the amount of internships they offer.
There's an opportunity with it that these students can follow up with Gulfstream for potential employment, either as interns or as full-time employees once they graduate.
And being able to attend a school like Eastern Michigan has definitely allowed me to meet those people, and so that's definitely helpful towards looking for jobs in the future.
This was an opportunity for them to see how to build a plane or how to manufacture that side of the aerospace industry.
I'd love to have a job there one day. Just an overall great experience.
With Gulfstream, that is an opportunity for us and for our students that we would not have had if it wasn't for GameAbove and for the connections and the network that they bring.